I wish anyone was like, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been a while. What's good? What's popping? Definitely on my skin though, and that's why we are here today. Okay, so if you don't know who I am, my name is Muriel. I'm a Galani Langa, the Soweto baby, that yellow bone lady that went to private school but still made spelling errors, but that's okay because it still clocks in the bank. So like I said, you guys can see my skin ain't popping, right? Like, I know this ring light is doing me justice and I know I look cute, but I have been chosen as amongst the first ambassadors for a skincare company that is called 57 Degrees North, and it is based here in Korea. And basically we get to try out these skincare products and I get to give you guys an honest review about how it is on my skin. It is hypoallergenic, so which means that it's good for all skins. And basically what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna show you guys how you should apply these products onto your beautiful natural face. So my face hasn't been doing the best now, so there's a range of products here, the stars of the show, and I'm going to show you guys how to use it. So for this video I'm going to be doing a voiceover because it's the only thing that makes sense. So let me introduce you to the stars of the babies and let me show you how to use them. See you in a few. Okay, so before I introduce you guys to the beautiful selection that is over here, I'm going to tell you what I did. So first I washed my skin with my normal face wash, but I didn't use the toner for that because there is a toner. So but first what I want to do is, I don't know what this is called, but it's one of those things that you put in the fridge and then it becomes ice cold, and then you kind of use it to like sculpt your face. So I use this first before I use any of these. So I just want to show you guys how I do it and capture it on camera for you guys, okay?
Listen, Mama wants beautiful and radiant skin, and word on the block is that this ice roller apparently gives you radiance because it helps stimulate your blood cells in your face. Starting off the skincare routine, we've got step 1, which is our Glacier and PHA cleanser. For this, you need to soak the cotton pad because if not, then you're not going to have enough product to exfoliate the skin, which you will see in the next slide. Make sure you soak this baby so that you have enough product to exfoliate and cleanse the skin, to remove all those dead cells and unwanted makeup and remove all the dirt in your face, okay? Now we're nice and clean. Step 2 will be to use the Willow and B5 Calming Serum. This is going to help calm your face from all the tension and stress that it has been going through the day. It's going to relax your muscles and your cells. And it is so easy to use. It has a wand application. You will then use your fingertips to spread the serum all over your face. And when you feel like you're done, you will use the palm of your hands just to tap and secure and make sure that no product goes to waste and that all that serum goes right into your luscious skin. Step 3 is to use the Grape and Resveratrol Firming Serum. This comes with an application wand, so it makes it easier for you to put the desired amount of product onto your face. And just like before, you use your fingertips to spread all the serum around and into your face. And when you're done, you're going to use the palm of your hands to tap in that serum into your face to make sure that no product goes to waste, okay? For step 4, we're going to use a Cloudberry and Vita Brightening Serum. This comes with an applicator, making it very easy for you to use and to apply onto your face. The smell of this is so beautiful. It almost has like a citrus smell. It is so phenomenal. So like the others, you use your fingertips to spread the serum in and around your face. And then when you're done, you use the palm of your hand and you tap all that lusciousness, all that, all that twinkleness into your skin. It's the natural glow for me. Lastly, we're going to use the birch water and bee glucose barrier cream to moisturize our beautiful, luscious, radiant skin. That was so hard to open, but eventually I got it. Make sure to use enough cream onto your face to lock and seal in all that moisture into your face to give you that revitalizing, radiant skin. Make sure you're using that cream in all areas of your face, honey. Moisturize every single angle and crease, okay?
Guys, and that is how you use these beautiful products from 57 Degrees North. Honestly speaking, the end result is amazing. Like, look at all the shine, and like it's not like a bad shine, it's like a natural glow, you know. I mean, it makes me look even prettier because I'm already pretty. Like the skincare gods are like on your side with this. I love the natural nature smell of the products. I love the serums. The serums are so nice and smooth. I like how it feels on my face. I love how my face feels. I love that my face is like not sticky. I just love it. I honestly do recommend getting these products. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please comment if you have any questions, if you want to know about anything about the products. I hope you guys love these products as much as I do. I hope you guys get these products because honestly speaking, recommend. Like, I just honestly I love it. I love it. Like, I'm so, like, you know when you're like obsessed with yourself already and then the products just give you like this beautiful natural glow that make it 10 times worse? Yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Anyway guys, that's it for today. I'd like to say thank you very much. It feels so good to be back. It feels so good to be an ambassador for 57 Degrees North, which is a skincare company for Korea. Like I said, I hope you guys like the products as much as I do. I hope you guys like looking at my beautiful natural glowing face the way that I do. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye, soulful mates.